All right, Jahmari, man of the match performance today. Scoring the first goal and also vital to the second goal. Can you tell us what the experience like in the Mobile United team has been so far for you?
Yeah, obviously coming from England, it's been a bit new environment, new weather, different culture, different style of play. But I feel like as I've come in, the boys have welcomed me in. I feel like we're starting to get to know each other well. Like we're getting better plays, better understanding of each other. Because obviously they wouldn't know how I play, so yeah, we're still adapting, we're still improving, we still have things we need to work on. But I think we did all right today. But still feels like a loss. But we drew. We take a point now. So yeah.
But so it was a very physical game. What's the physical nature for the in regards to the game for you? What was that like for you?
Yeah, it was very physically demanding because obviously I haven't played much before, but I felt I was ready. I felt, especially second half, I just like proper was in like flow state, concentrated, just working, just ready to go. And I feel like that's what happened.
Didn't start well in the first half.
Yeah, no.
But the second half, you stepped up your game.
Yeah.
What was the difference in regards to what happened in the dressing room for the first half versus what happened in the second half? What changed in the dressing room?
Manager just told me I need to speak more and just put myself about more. And I just done that. And I moved around a bit more. I wanted to be more involved and try to get on the ball more.
You have any goal objective for the season?
Oh, I said I want to finish top goal scorer by the end of the season,
Oh, 30, 35?
Wherever it has to be.
But how has it been for you so far here?
Nah, it's just hot. It's so hot, but I'm getting used to it. Just working. But yeah, it's a different environment, but I'm enjoying it. It's like a second home here, so yeah.
Jahmari, second half, coach must have told you something. You came out with fire and you destroyed the back line of Mount Pleasant with your physicality. Talk us through what the coach told you and what you tell yourself you're going to do when you come out of the game.
Yeah, so the manager spoke to me. He was like, "Oh, you need to open your mouth more. You need to show yourself." Then after, I just took that on board. And after, as soon as I came on, I just was like, I need to do something. I need to at least score. I need to create a chance. I need to do that. And after I felt, it worked out that I did, you know. So yeah, I was just focused, more focused, yeah.
What's the objective for the next game versus Treasure Beach? At home fans.
Maybe another goal, another assist, or some sort of assist. Yeah.
Well, you guys draw in the pre-season, so they may come like they can beat you guys.
Well, I go into every game trying to win, so that's all we can do.
All right, thanks,
Yeah, no worries.